from the graphs, if we graph these three things, that this is what's happening. And since this is what's happening, the limit of the purple function at 0 must be 0 because the limit of x squared at 0 is 0 and the limit of negative x squared at 0 is 0. So it has to be 0. It has to be squeezed in between those things. And finally, wrapping this up, last example of the day. This is off the 2008. Was that not on the screen for that whole thing? That's awkward. So there's positive x squared, here's negative x squared. If you graph this on your graphing calculator, which you don't need to do, but you can if you want, it's in between there. The limit of the purple function at 0 has to be 0 because the limit of both of those are 0. All right. See, that's a bad thing. In class, students would let me know, hey, Mr. Christensen, you need to move that up. But I don't have your help for that. So hopefully, second semester. All right, last one for today. You see that this is division. You see if you plug in 0, you're going to be dividing by zeros. You're going to get 0 of 0. So this is the dividing out technique. So we look there. We can factor out an x squared. That's 5x squared. And that's going to be plus 8. And if we look down here, that is going to be 3x squared minus 16. So those are going to cancel, and now we can use direct substitution. So we plug in 0, and we're left with 8 over negative 16, which is negative 1/2. So that's a real AP. We just did a real AP question. Hopefully you paused it. I keep forgetting to say that, but you should really be pausing all the time and trying those yourself. That's a real question on an AP test, and you guys should be thinking, man, I can do that, that's easy. And there are a lot of them. Calculus is one of our most successful AP exams here at Arborview High School. We have lots of people pass the test. So that could save you some money and save you some classes next year, pass that AP exam. So that wraps that up. I'm going to cut this off, and we'll see you on the next one.